Hi there. We are going to discuss multiple if statement in Python. Where this multiple if statement is required and how to make use of multiple if statement, we can discuss in today's quick bits. Okay. So first of all, we need to understand the syntax of multiple if statement. So in Python, first condition is start with if, and then you can condition followed by colon. You can give all the statements supposed to be executed based on that condition. Suppose that condition is not true, automatically go to else block. Instead of else block, when you are trying to use multiple condition, you can use second condition as a elif. It's exactly the shortcut of else if. Okay, so in that elif you can put another condition, so automatically it will try to execute if the first condition is false, and if this condition is true, then it will move on to the rest, followed by statements. Even the both the condition is true, we can go to else statement, then it will get executed. Again, the else is optional over here. Based on your business scenario, you can construct your multiple if statements. Say for example, in scenario like the same example what we discussed in if condition, student get scoring a mark whether pass or fail, we tried in if else statement. But here I'm trying to grade him in such a way that if he is scoring a different range of mark, we are going to grade him. So that kind of scenario, we need multiple if statement, multiple conditional if statement. So without further delay, we'll go and write some program. Okay, already I created a program for multiple if statement. So I'll take some lines of the code from here. So I'm going to grade him for a particular subject. Okay, he got a mark. So say for example, if he got above 90, mark 1 greater than or equal to 90 colon, then you can print name, something like that, elif mark 1 greater than or equal to 80. We can put b, like that. We can go other, I don't again type 70, C, 60, D, greater equal to 50, E, else. F means fail, like that we can consider. And this also need a colon. Okay, I'll execute this program, then you'll understand. Okay, I'm entering a name. So 80, maybe grade. I'm executing this program again with a different V 49. It's supposed to be F, right? Yeah, F. I'll execute one more time with the higher range. More 91. Supposed to be A grade. Okay, so this is a place where we can use, and this might be useful for you. We can see more program in upcoming session. Thanks for your time. Like and comments this video. Please subscribe Quick Bits and click bell icon for more videos from Quick Bits.